Hello and welcome to another episode of revisingblog.in, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about how I use Optinmonster to create more email subscriber for my blog. Well, I already explained in my another blog post that I use MailChimp to manage my email subscriber list, but this Optinmonster is another investment which will make sure that every visitor which comes on your blog must subscribe to your email subscription list. And also I shared one video on my blog post, you can check that out, where it has been explained clearly why email subscription is more important than sharing your content by your users. So of course, when you have an email subscriber, you have a bigger list of email subscriber. They are your permanent visitor, and you can promote your content to them. They will, I mean, at least 70 to 80% of them will come and they visit your post. So all the best blogger or the top bloggers always insist to create this email subscriber list, and they want every possible visitor which comes on your blog or your post must subscribe to email list. So let's see how I use Optinmonster and how I use it to increase my email subscriber list. So uh, Optinmonster is a separate tool which you need to buy, and I explained the pricing term which I will discuss later. But Optinmonster comes as a plugin for your WordPress blog. So it's very easy to set up. You just need to go to your plugin. You need to install a new plugin from here, and once you install it, you can see Optinmonster link here. You need to click here, and then the first thing which you need to do is to go to here API credential, and you need to put your username and password which you can find from your uh, Optinmonster application setting, which is also mentioned here. So you just need to copy paste your username and password here. Once you've done that and you save this setting, you will be able to log into your Optinmonster account from the WordPress. So I already logged into that. So whatever opt-in form I have created, you can see is right here. So it's automatically refresh the content from your Optinmonster dashboard to this WordPress blog. So let me show you how I created a lightbox pop-up for my application, and what are the different options you have here to modify or customize this pop-up. So what I will do is uh, I will click this edit design, and once you click on this, it will take you to the directly to the Optinmonster dashboard, and you can see here how I customize different option. So first thing is you will have many template which you can use. You can create on design theme, and you can see a lot many different option you have. So I have selected this theme for my uh, this pop-up, and I would like to show you like how you can just click here and you can change this text here. You can also change the second headline which is here, and of course you can customize each and every field here, whatever you can see. So it's a pop-up editor window, and then this one which you see here, you can put a ebook cover which you want to give it to user as a free to subscribe to them. So this pop-up is very much different from an ordinary pop-up, which does not let you customize the thing. Now let's see how many customization available for this. So you can see on the left hand side, the first option is what is the website on which you are going to use it. Then you have a design option where you can put your optional CSS. If you want to add something extra to this form, you can put your own code here. After that, you have a field here. I mean, what are the field you want to capture? For example, here one text box is only there, so there is one text box mentioned here. You can change, of course, the color and the font. Now what are the buttons you have here? That's what is submit field. There is a sign up button, and you can of course change its background color and font and all. Uh, And of course, if you want to add a privacy statement here, you can always add here that we are not going to spam your email or like that. Now, the interesting content is here in the configuration. This is very important. So watch it very carefully. Uh, Here is the title of the plugin, which is free ebook. You have a delay of 5,000. So this 5,000 is in millisecond. It is the amount of the time that this plugin or this pop-up will not load before 5 seconds. So once visitor will visit your page, after 5 seconds, this pop-up will come. Of course, you have a cookie duration. If you want to wait for certain days before giving the pop-up back to user, you can set it here. I will always recommend to give it a 0 so that pop-up will be displayed always. Okay, the same way this opt-in success cookie duration is there, and then you have opt-in success message. So once a user will give his email ID and click on sign up, what is the message he or she will see on the screen? So this is that. You can always change it whatever you want to do. Okay, so this option is opt-in redirect on success is once the user will opt in. If you want to redirect it to some other page like saying thank you or some other page, you can do it here. You can also pass the email ID with the URL here. If you select this option, the email will be passed with that. There are some other options like load on the second page view, which you can use it if you want. If you don't want to show it this pop-up on the first page, but on the second page. Okay, so this one is very important, which I would like to mention is enable exit intent. So once you'll checkbox this option, so whenever a visitor try to go outside of this window, which is the window of your blog or website, then this pop-up will come. And this is very interesting feature to if a user is trying to leave your site, then you can offer them some free content to just at least get subscription from them. So this option is very interesting to make sure that you'll never lose any visitor, which is like leaving your page. And this is, of course, this 20 is the sensitivity of exit instance. I mean, uh, how much sensitive is like once the user will leave your active window, within what time the display will pop up to the user. Of course, you have integration. So this Optinmonster support a wide variety of email marketing tool. I mean, you can see Aware, you have Emma, you have iContact, you have MailChimp, you have GetResponse. There are a lot many email marketing tools available which you can select. So whatever is your service provider, you can select on that, and then of course you need to use the API key which you can get from their setting. You need to go to, for example, if I have MailChimp, I need to go to MailChimp and I need to get this API key and account label. Once I will select that and click on connect to MailChimp, I will be connected, and then whatever email subscriber which is user will select and sign up, it will go directly to the email marketing manager. Of course, you have analytics. So this Optinmonster provide their inbuilt authorization token. You can also authenticate it with Google Analytics to get the insight of like what type of user is subscribing to your email list, their location, their geographical area, and lot many things. And of course effect. So effect is very important, like what type of extra effect you are going to give. For example, this option is bounce in, so it will just come from the background and will show. Then there are other options like up, down, and then flip down like this. So this will uh, really give a very good effect. It will attract your visitor and make sure that there is something important which they should see. Now, after doing this, you can select the page targeting, which is a very good feature and not available with many tools. Like you can select here on which particular page you want to show this. So for example, you are creating a post with suppose 10 best WordPress tips to write a blog. You can create a pop-up only for that page, which will offer a free ebook on that particular topic. So it's a wonderful feature where you can show the pop-up intended only for a particular page. And so user, once they will read your post, they will definitely be interested to download the ebook and they will subscribe to your email list. So this is a must, a very good feature which you should use. And of course the last one is a referral redirection. So you can select a particular domain which you know want to refer a detection, but I have not explored this option much, so I will not recommend to use it for now. But the other option, whichever I mentioned there, will will complete uh, your pop-up box. And the link which you are seeing here, powered by Optinmonster, is the affiliate link which Optinmonster allow you to put. So whenever you have an option here to enable or disable this, so you can always earn some extra money by putting this link. So I hope this video tutorial has given you a basic idea about how to use Optinmonster and create a customized lightbox pop-up for your blog post. You can of course configure it, customize it based on your need, and definitely it is going to attract more customer if you are carefully selecting or giving some free ebooks or free stuff to your visitor, and make sure that they will subscribe to your email list. So the goal here is to make sure that every visitor which comes on your blog, whether they are new or old, they must subscribe to your email list and become your permanent reader. Hope this video helps you to understand the basic feature of Optinmonster. I will be explaining some more feature in the coming video. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you.